Bluey sprinted toward the ice cream truck fast, Bingo tumbled beside her laughing loud, and suddenly a huge rainbow sundae appeared. Muffin shouted, "Wow, could this be the ultimate treat?" Bandit grabbed Chilli's hand tight, Rusty pointed at a glowing cone ahead, Indy gasped, "It's sparkling with magic sprinkles, could something amazing be waiting?" From behind the truck emerged a giant ice cream monster, huge, its scoops stacked high with rainbow colors. Socks barked nervously, pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is incredible, could they enjoy it safely?" The monster twirled its cones, shaking the ground hard. Bingo clutched her balloon high, Muffin hid behind Chilli, worried. Could courage help them taste the fun? Bandit raised a waffle cone ready, Rusty grabbed a glowing spoon for backup, Indy shouted, "Stay together, could teamwork defeat the ice cream mess?" Bluey noticed glowing sprinkles along the monster's scoops bright. She shouted, "Aim there now." Bingo hurled a sparkling cherry fast. Could it sweeten the adventure? The monster roared, ice cream and sprinkles flying everywhere. The park trembled loud. Socks barked, dodging sticky splashes. Could they survive the sugar rush? Bluey leapt onto a bench shouting, "Grab the scoops." Rusty swung the spoon, blocking splashes. The monster paused, confused. Could cleverness save the day? Suddenly the monster froze completely still, its eyes softened chocolate brown warm. Chilli whispered, "It's working." Muffin tossed another glowing sprinkle. Could teamwork finish the treat? The sprinkles pulsed brighter then faded. The monster bowed its head, majestic. Whipped cream cleared, revealing a glowing ice cream crystal inside. Bluey picked it up, careful, proud. Could it hold magic? A hidden passage opened beneath the truck, glowing. Bandit whispered, "This adventure is only starting." Bluey's eyes shone courageous, bright. Could the next dessert be even wilder? The friends danced through together, brave. The park twisted into a sparkling ice cream realm, magical. Bingo laughed, amazed. Muffin twirled around, happy. Could endless sweet adventures await? Above them, candy sprinkles circled wildly. Sparks of magic scattered across the ground. Rusty shouted, "Keep tasting." Socks barked, joining the fun. Could the park guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high, shining. The light spread across the ice cream bright. Chilli smiled, proud. Bandit hugged everyone close. Could this moment last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened, swirling, massive. Glittering dessert worlds beckoned ahead. Bingo shouted, "Let's go." Muffin's eyes sparkled wide. Could this be the ultimate ice cream adventure? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes, brave. She shouted, "We can enjoy treats anywhere together." Everyone cheered, ready for the unknown. Could you scoop in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and dive into the next sweet adventure with Bluey and friends.